Hello wonderful people, welcome to another video and a little tiny painting of a little tiny landscape. This is one of the landscapes from the tiny book of calm microscapes that I've introduced on this channel before. There is a little sketchbook tour of these little landscapes, but I decided also to show you the painting process of them all, so you can participate and enjoy the process. I will link all of it down below if you're interested to make one yourself, because this was so much fun and so fascinating for me to paint. I don't know, I was a little bit obsessed with them this year or last year. This year has just started. So in case you want to join me in on the fun, you can make one yourself. I've made a tutorial on how you can quickly fold yourself one. It just needs a little piece of paper, like a 6 size for the size of sketchbook that I've made. You can also fold it bigger if you want. Be free, paint whatever you want. You can paint also tiny landscapes, characters, pets, whatever suits your mind, whatever makes you happy. Yeah, I just hope that you enjoy life and painting and wanted to share this lovely little landscape with you. I'm making this voiceover and editing this video just like 2 days before the move. I have to pack all of my equipment, all of my stuff. Most of it is packed now, but I hope you understand that I'm not going to make like a full long voiceover for this video. I'll just play some music so you can enjoy the process, and I promise for the next videos I will probably be in the new place and have set up the studio so I can edit the videos, make proper voiceovers and share more of art with you. If not, I will let you know. You can follow me on all the social media. There are links in the description box. And if you want to share your art with me, I'm happy to see this. I think there's beauty in sharing art, and I really love to see what others create. So come and join the community and share your wonderful art with me and with all the others, because it's fun. And watercolors is so wholesome and wonderful, and yeah, I hope if you have fun watching this, that you also have fun painting. And if not, well, consider looking into the miniature pet portraits that I've painted last year. So you hopefully have fun enjoying art. It's different. It's mine. And it's a little bit chaotic, as I am. But it's okay. So enjoy the music, and we'll see each other soon. Thanks for being here, and have a wonderful and relaxing day. Hope to see you soon. Bye!